Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Spirituality for Business Leadership by Guruji Narayana. We'll have 45 minutes session by Guruji, followed by 15 minutes of question answer session. All these question answer session would be in the chat form. You can send your questions in a crisp manner to Guruji. Guruji will answer after the 45th minute. Now we welcome our Guruji to this webinar series. Guruji, please take over.
फेस नहीं दिखता
Guruji, please start.
फेस नहीं दिखता है अभी तक कार्ड है
Guruji, we can see you.
ओके नमस्ते pranams to elders, goodwill to colleagues, love to youngsters. I am very happy, glad that we are reconnecting through this Zoominar with the help of AMA and Mr. Nair and his colleagues. I am very happy. Today is the spirituality in business leadership. It's a fantastic subject. First of all, what is spirituality? We should understand. Shiva eva sada jiva, jiva eva sada shiva. The life itself is divine, and divine is always reflects as a life. Manava, Madhava. Madhava is hidden inside Manava, and Manava is the expression of Madhava. Nara, Narayana. Narayana inside makes the Nara, the person, shine. So that is spirituality. Spirituality is filling yourself spirit. Spirit is not that spirit. Spirit is the spirit, the Chaitanya, divine spirit, not any material spirit which can fill you. So how you can realize this? Yata pravuttir bhutani yena sarvam idantatam, from which all of us have come. Yata pravuttir bhutani, all living beings जिधर से आया है, and जिधर से हम आया है वो किधर है? सबका अंदर घुसेला है. So it has entered into all of us. So it's inside all of us. Swakarmana, by own works. Tam abhyarcha. Tam means he, but वो तो नहीं है. It is they. These सब लोग जो है उसको अर्चना करके through work as a worship, serving the humanity is serving the divinity. Humanity and divinity are connected. Divinity is within the humanity, and humanity is the expression of divinity. So, serve and deserve. ऊपर वाला vertical है, vertical. So, religion and spirituality, religion means ऐसा करके, नहीं तो ऐसा करके, नहीं तो ऐसा करके, vertically देखने में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि ऊपर वाला ऊपर नहीं है, ये सबका अंदर है. If you see vertically, you will not get anything. In cricket, scoreboard is vertical. आप स्कोरबोर्ड देख के नमस्ते नमस्ते बोलेगा तो स्कोर बढ़ेगा नहीं, बॉल हो गया आउट हो जाएगा. If we hit the ball horizontally, scoreboard will go vertically up. So serve horizontally, deserve the vertically, serve the humanity, and deserve the divine grace. This is spirituality. It is expressed in how many ways? Now, Shlokam Dal. Bhagavad Gita clearly defines what is spirituality. Actually, it has devoted one chapter for the spirituality. That is Daivasura Sampat Vibhaga Yogam. the divine qualities which will express as spirituality, sampad, wealth of divine qualities are given here. What is that? Abhayam sattva samsiddhi jnana yoga vyavasthiti danam damaste yajnascha swadhyaya taparjavam ahimsa satyam akrodham tyaga shantirapayinsham daya bhuteshu alolutam mardavam hirachapalam teja kshama drusi shaucham adroho natimanita bhavanti sampadam daivim abhijadosi bharata. O Indian, don't worry. These qualities are naturally ingrained in you because of your culture and civilization and background. So these are 26 qualities. Added to that is Daivi Sampada, 27. So out of which I have selected 7 of them and 11 of them to discuss with you. So these divine qualities are fearlessness, abhayam. Abhayam is the daromat. So darna nahi, fearless, fast and first, purity of mind, being in yoga of knowledge, giving is spirituality. Give and give. External control, dhamma, dhammo dharma, offering, yajna, offering yourself to the society, self-study, swadhyaya, penance, tapas, arjavam, being straight, non-hurting, truth, angerlessness, relinquishing, tyaga, non-slandering, don't blame others, don't be in blame game, compassion, keep compassion as your passion, non-inclination towards pleasure, don't be pleasure-oriented, want-oriented, pleasure-oriented, pleasure, gentleness, mardhavam, modesty, he, apaishanam, non-slandering, not blaming anybody, teja, brightness. Kya ho gaya? Hello?
Yes, Guruji, please go ahead.
Yeah. Now I'm speaking. Can you see me?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So this is from mobile. Ho gaya. So, teja, brightness, kshema, forgiving, shaucham, cleanliness, adroho, non-betrayal, natimanita, non-self, egolessness. These are the divine qualities. So, out of which the first one is abhayam, daromat. When you are not afraid of anybody, and you are not afraid of anybody, and do not cause fear to anybody. When you are not afraid of anybody and do not cause fear to anybody, that is abhayam. You are not causing fear, you are not fearful. Fear is actually imaginary. Fear is mostly imaginary. When you think problem is larger than what it is, and you are smaller, problem is large, you are small, then there is a fear. But the problem is only appearance. It is smaller than what it appears. And you are really taller than what you think. Tattvamasi. You have got highest potential. That's what Krishna told Arjuna. You are that one. So, when you are such a tall, you are not small, then you are not worried. So, problem is appearance and nikal ke. Acha, you are not afraid of fear. Fear is afraid of you. Dog dikhta hai na gali mein. When it will go back, it will come and attack you. If you run away, it will bite you. But if you move towards it, it will run away. So make the first step. Don't be afraid. Take the initiative and fear will go away. Fear is imaginary. So be fearless by taking initiative and don't underestimate yourself. Yasmanno dvijite loka lokanno dvijite chaya. Who does not cause fear to world and who is not himself afraid, it is a fantastic thing. So don't be afraid, be freer. You are taller than what you think. And if fear aayega, then you become courageous and you can do all action to serve people. Put the first step to serve. That is fear. Now I will say this is the most important. Sattva Samshuddhi. Sattva Samshuddhi means purity of mind. If mind is pure, manam eva manushyanam karanam bandhamokshaye. Mind is the cause, because for binding and for liberation. Because of your mind only, you can be bound, you can become reduced, you can be troubled. But because of mind only, you are liberated. If your mind is your control, you are Hanuman. If you are in the control of mind, then you are monkey. But sometimes mind is in control, sometimes you are in control, then you are man. So become Hanuman. Keep mind in your control and become pure. So how mind? Mana eva dividham proktam, Amrita Bindu Upanishad. Mind is two kinds. Shuddham, ashuddham evacha. Shuddham kama sankalpam. Ashuddham kama sankalpam. Shuddham kama vivarjitam. Do not have any desires and wants and cravings. If you are craving, you are the slave of your mind. So remove all wants. All wants nikalko. Wants are weeds. Needs are seeds. Needs fulfill karo. Wants ko bhaga do. Then you become mind. When your mind is powerful, then you can, this is the spirituality. Pure mind is the essence of spirituality. Purity. So the quality reflects in four ways. Quality of work, purity of mind, clarity of thought, and unity of spirit. So purity of mind is actually in between the body and intellect. If your mind is disturbed, your body is also disturbed. You started shivering temperature. And your thoughts also will be disturbed. Mind pure rakho, mind peaceful rakho, so your actions will be okay, your thoughts will be okay, then your spirit is undisturbed. So pure mind is the cause for the able spirit and able to serve. Purity of mind. Then comes most important, simple thing you can do. Simple thing in your control is dhanam, giving. Give, and give. Giving is the way to do it. Shraddhaya deyam. Whenever you give anything, don't give like that. Aisa mat deo. Promotion letter leo bolke aisa mat deo. Give promotion letter also, offering. Offering jaisa devo. And Shraddhaya deyam. Whenever you give anybody, give with Shraddha. Ashraddha se mat dena, without dedication. Shriyadeyam, अच्छा वाला देवो. Shriyadeyam, Shriyadeyam, थोड़ा डर के देवो. तुम बराबर दे रहे कि नहीं दे रहे मालूम करके डर के दे रहे हो. Radhika, am I visible and audible? Hello, सुनाई देता है?
Yes, sir. Guruji, the audio is very clear.
Okay. Very clear.
Audio is good.
Shraddhayadeyam, Ashraddhayadeyam, Dhiyadeyam, डर के देवो. And Shriyadeyam. Acha Dev. Arjuna became liberated because of jnana, knowledge given by Krishna. But Karna became liberated because of giving habit. Giving habit, giving practice, determined, he never said no. In our trust, Sita Rama Seva Sadan, and in Excel, Shroffs and Darbari Shet, they gave, any appeal comes, never say no. Give something. Similarly, in our Sita Rama Seva Sadan, where we are serving elders and all, don't say no. तुम कितना दिया important नहीं है. How much you give is not important. How you give. With dedication, if you give, it is okay. So Karna was taking bath one day. He had katoris, 7 katoris, 6, 7 katoris, golden, diamond, brass, aluminium, iron. उसका अंदर washing powder, ये सब oil सब है. So one Rishi came. He said, Bicham Dehi. Then at that time, a golden katori was in the hands of Karna. Then Karna gave that golden katori with powder, with left hand only to the Rishi. वो बहुत happy हो गया. He never expected golden katori. He took it. Then he said, Karna ji, मैं एक सवाल पूछूं? बोला बोलो. अरे giving you must do with right hand. आप तो लेफ्ट हैंड से दिया, ये कैसा? वो बोला महाराज, when you asked me at that time, the katori was in my left hand. Now if I shift to my right hand, in the meantime my mind will come into picture. Sattva samshuddhi. It will end picture and बोलेगा ये ब्राह्मण तो बहुत, ये ऋषि तो बहुत पुराना पूर्व दिखता है, उसको गोल्डन कटोरी क्यों? उसको सिल्वर चलेगा? सिल्वर क्यों? आयरन दो. कटोरी क्यों? उसका अंदर जो मसाला है वो दे दो. So mind will come into picture. Therefore, moment a good intention comes, without allowing mind to come, I have cleared it. That is giving. Giving is a fantastic thing. Acha. When you give something, it is not a gift. Gift दो, return gift ले लो. मैं ये देता है तो रिटर्न तुम सोचेगा, then that is not a giving. दातव्यमिति यद्दानम दीयते अनुपकारिणे. वापस कुछ आया बोल के एक्सपेक्टेशन का बगैर देगा, वही देना है. देश काले च पात्रे च, टाइम प्लेस सिचुएशन एंड पर्सन बराबर होना चाहिए. किसको भी मत दो. राइट डिजर्विंग पर्सन को दो, नीडी पर्सन को दो, एंड राइट टाइम में राइट प्लेस में दो. बहुत मैं 1 साल का बाद दूंगा, तब तक उसका काम हो गया. सो गिव इन राइट टाइम, राइट प्लेस, राइट पर्सन, विदाउट एक्सपेक्टेशन. एक्सपेक्टेशन, अपेक्षा इज अ प्रॉब्लम. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट, ओनली एक्सटेंड करो, then hoga. So he gave it and Karna got liberated. What you must give? Give knowledge. If you cannot give material, give support, give encouragement, give love, give admiration, give empowerment. Mother gives love, father gives support, grandfather gives empowerment. You become mother, father, teacher, grandfather of the world by giving love, by offering support, and by offering knowledge, teacher, and by offering empowerment. But don't give. Don't call it give. मेरा हाथ ऊपर होना चाहिए ऐसा मत बोलो. बोलता है, मैं ग्रैंडफादर बोला, बेटा तुम्हारा हाथ हमेशा ऊपर होना चाहिए, नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए. क्यों ऊपर होना चाहिए? Don't do give and take. Give and take मत करो. Take and take is terrorism. हमेशा लेता है खींच के. Terrorism. Take and give is government. पहले लेके बाद में देता है, only 15% पहुंचता है. Give and take is business. This ऊपर नीचे है. Offer and receive. offer promotion, receive dedication, offer value, receive work, offer knowledge, receive learning, offer trust, receive responsibility, offer love, receive dedication. Love and dedication offer is bhakti yoga, offer work and value is karma yoga, offer knowledge and receive learning is jnana yoga, offer trust and receive responsibility is dhyana yoga. Transform your give and take into offer and receive. This is a fantastic way to giving. Then comes Swadhyaya. Abhayan Sattasyasiddhi Jnana Yoga Dhanandamasya Yajna Swadhyaya. Self-study. Swadhyaya. Don't read anything. Study. Don't look at the person. Study. Swadhyaya. Self-study. Self-study करके करो. Self-study includes introspection. It was lucky for me that I have done college education only 4 qualifications, but self-study 7 qualifications. Self-study करो, improve करो, and mutual study करो. Study mutual अध्याय, स्वाध्याय, sahadhyaya, upadhyaya. So, swadhyaya self-study, sahadhyaya milke study, upadhyaya study karne wala, and paramadhyaya, Vedic spirit, you do that. So, self-study. There is an end for teaching, but there is no end for learning. Teaching is limited. Learning is unlimited. Become an unlimited wisdom person, unlimited learning person by self-study. By self-study, you can go beyond teaching, beyond your guru, Ekalavya. Arjuna is Upadhyaya oriented. Ekalavya is Swadhyaya oriented. So, self-study karo. Ramayana starts with 2 qualities of Narada. Tapas Swadhyaya Niratam. The person who is a master of tapas, master of self-study. Self-study has double meaning here. Self-study is not only studying on you, studying your own self is also self-study. खुद को स्टडी करो. ये लाइट बराबर दिखता है? ये मेरा मुंह बराबर दिखता है? Yeah. So self-study is studying the self, introspection. That is also Swadhyaya. You introspect, learn and record your past actions. Study what you have to do, work and contribute, introspect, prepare and act for future. That way, gold, past become gold now. Work, present become gold now because you have introspected how to work and contribute. And future becomes gold now by preparing and equipping. So this is self-study. Self-study will lead into Atmadarshanam. There is one book in AMA, Gateways to Self-Realization. I have to tell one more thing. God's timetable. This is my original book of Sacred Ways to Spirituality. ये रिलीज नहीं हुआ AMA में. Book ready हुआ. It is shared with people. I have sent you that copy. So it is getting released because of all of you. So I must say thank you for all of you for making this fantastic book your own. So do not read, study, become steady. Study will make you steady. Then comes ahimsa. You remember? We said abhayam. This is abhayam. डरो मत. Abhayam. Not only fear, give to abhayam to others. कोरोना आया, डरो मत. सेल्फ स्टडी करके, सेल्फ कंट्रोल करके कर सकता है. So abhayam. Abhayam means fearlessness. कैसा अभयम आया? अभयम आया because of these five are together. This is body. This is mind. रिंग पहनता है, काम नहीं करता है माइंड, रिंग पहनता है. This is operating, this is HR department, and this is intellect. This is your individual self. This is supreme self. So abhayam comes when you join your body, mind, intellect, and spirit to supreme spirit. It becomes yoga. So this is Deha Mano Buddhi Atma Paramatma Anusandhanam Yoga. So that's why let your actions, let your feelings, let your thoughts, let your spirit and Supreme One be there. So do what you say what you do. Feel what you do what you feel. Think what you do what you think. Be right. Then you are abhayam. This abhayam you will remember. Then comes ahimsa. Ahimsa is hurting. Hurting anybody physically, emotionally, intellectually or spiritually is a great blunder, great offense. Aparadh hai. हिंसा मत करो. हिंसा नहीं करना. Now remember 1999 December 31st रात को 12 बजे. आप लोग who are not so much young, who are born after 1999, but those who are above 99 or above 2015, you must remember that day. 1999 December 31st. तुम लोग सोया नहीं, whole India सोया नहीं. Prime Minister, President were awake. I was awake because our Indian Airlines plane was in Kandahar, where our plane was hijacked, and they were in trouble. क्या होगा? Problem था. Then I was also did not sleep. I went to my terrace room and I was meditating to sun. I always, whenever there is a problem, I talk to sun. Sun is easiest God available. Now Corona के लिए भी रोज मैं sun से बात करता हूँ. ये निकाल दो यार. So मेरा काम हो जाता है mostly. So I prayed to him that our plane and our people should be released. बोल के I was praying at that time. Then I thought, abhi millennium is ending. 1999, millennium is ending and 2080 will start. So abhi tak apna kya lesson hai? Abhi tak what is the lesson I want to know? And I want God to tell me. Therefore, I took nearest book in the nearby, Liya, without seeing. It was Anushasana Parvam, 13th chapter of Mahabharata. वो खोल दिया तो the lesson of entire millennium का आया. कितना right आया. अहिंसा परमो धर्म तथा अहिंसा परो दमा अहिंसा परमं दानम अहिंसा परमं तपा अहिंसा सर्वभूतानां यदा माता तदा पिया. Ahimsa is the greatest tapa. Ahimsa is the greatest knowledge. Ahimsa is the greatest value. And those who do ahimsa, ahimsa nahi karta hai, he is for all beings like mother and father. Now abhi dekho, abhi tak je dekha 2000 year mein dekha tha, abhi bhi. What we are doing? Big himsa. Not only Mahabharata Vara, World War II, countries, European war, every war, been in between India Pakistan wars. ये वार करके करके एक दूसरे को हिंसा, टेररिज्म इज वर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ हिंसा. लोगों को हिंसा करना इज ए प्रॉब्लम. सो वी शुड लर्न द लेसन फ्रॉम द एंटायर so many years history is हिंसा नहीं करना. अभी भी because of corona when trouble आता है तो दूसरों को तकलीफ देता है. There is हिंसा going on in both America and some parts here. हिंसा नहीं करना. So वो हो गया. By the time 12 o'clock passed, अहिंसा lesson सीखा. Then the 2000 has come. I opened the book again. What has come is Abhayam. The first lesson. Abhayam sarva bhutebhye yo dadati dayapara. That kind one. वो लोगों को बोलता है डरो मत, मैं हूं ना यार. Don't worry, मैं हूं. अभयम सर्वभूतेभ्यो दयापरा. अभयम तस्य भूतानि. उसको पूरा बीइंग्स करेगा. अच्छा, am I teaching now? Am I practicing or not? बोलता है अभयम बोलो, अभयम बोलो. मैं अभयम क्या किया? What practiced during this COVID? My native place, Manthani in Telangana, is also under curfew, under lockout. There is a trust called Sita Rama Seva Sadan, where we take care of the elders, helpless elders, who has no resources. उसको खाना afternoon, evening देता है. We continued those services during lockout also. Special permission लेके सबको खाना गया. And those week also it went. Then the migrants passed through our native place by the road. From Karimnagar, from Warangal, stone workers. So we put the food camp there and we served. Our ambulance we kept on. And लोगों को बोला, anybody is in trouble. अच्छा, masks. We luckily had teaching and embroidery classes going on. We trained at least 1,000 people. उसमें से 20 आदमी बोला कि मास्क बना के, खुद का मास्क बना के सबको दिया. Every house 2 masks. So कुछ भी है तो हम है ना. We are there. Abhayam sarvabhuti dayapara. So we are supported for that. Unexpected support came to us. So hurt not, help lot. This is Abhayam. Then comes Satyam. Satyam, truth. There are 4 values in the life. Only 4. ये 4 करो, so you will be happy. And I am practicing it. First, physical world can be managed through highest value. Physical world, time is the God. Time में production आता है, time में बच्चा लोग आता है, time में crafts are coming, time only udyanti ghanti khelanti, things emerge, surge, verge and merge back in time. So, time karo. Don't be delay for any meeting. Don't trouble others with timelessness. Be timely. आज भी मैं मीटिंग में 10 मिनट पहले रेडी था. राधिका से बात करके, रामूर्ति से बात करके, अशूर किया, नायर साहब से बात करके. So be on time, in time, at time, each time, every time, all the time. That is the time in physical world. In mind world, love. Love. कोई गलती किया तो भी love दे हो यार. What is love? Love is not I love you, I love you. Love is accepting people as they are, like mother did, like father did. And then, that is not end, that is only 50% story. Accept your people, support them. Not help them, but support them, niche se. Support them, encourage them, inspire them, admire them, and do everything for them. Then you become love. Then truth. Truth is highest value, intellectual path. All our thinking is to find the truth only. सच बोलना परफेक्ट है. सच बोलेगा तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक बार झूठ बोला तो 100 बार झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. तो सच हमेशा बोलो. तो मैं गीता योग देता हूं लोगों को. बोलता है सच बोलो. ये 18 दिन सच बोलो. 18 दिन कांदा लहसुन मत खाओ, नॉनवेज मत खाओ. ये कोविड के लिए भी नॉनवेज मत खाओ यार. सो ट्रूथ बोलो. ट्रूथ बोलना मुश्किल होता है. डिलीवरी नहीं कर सकता है तो क्या करने का सर. ट्रूथ बोलना मुश्किल है. कभी झूठ बोल के बच सकता है. देन आई गीता योग 18 days आई गिव ऑप्शन. अनट्रूथफुल मत रहो. सत्यमेव जयते नानृतम. बी ट्रूथफुल, नॉन राइट. सो क्या बोलने का, क्या करने का. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सच बोलो. सेकंड इज झूठ मत बोलो. सच बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो, बीच में अंतर है. झूठ मत बोलो इधर है, सच बोलो हाईएस्ट है, बीच में मौनम है. सो अनट्रूथ मत बोलो, मौन रहो, ट्रूथ बोलो. बिकॉज सत्यमेव जयते नानृतम. our India is satyame jayate, but non-rutam, unrutam, non-right. Truth and right. Truth is satyam, right is dharmam. So satyam, dharmam both have to go. Judge and jury. Truth is judge and jury. Judge is truth, legal, logic. Right, दिल में आ जाता है. So not only it should be legally correct, but also intuitionally, heartfully right. Eto satya tato dharma, eto dharma dhato jaya. A satyameva jayate is in our Indian thing, and eto dharma tato jaya is our Supreme Court's slogan. So ट्रूथफुल रहो. जब भी टीम रहेगा, सच बोलने वाला रहना चाहिए. एक वो खट बोल के सच बोलेगा. That is it keeps everybody all right. विदुर बोला सच बोलने वाला का वैल्यू. नासा सभा यत्र नसंति वृद्धा. वो सभा नहीं है जहां एल्डर नहीं है. एक बूढ़ा होना चाहिए. एक बुढ़ा, एक few Buddhas are there. Not only Buddha by hair, but Buddha by wisdom also. नासा सभा यत्र न संति वृद्धा. जहाँ वृद्ध नहीं है वो सभा नहीं है. नते वृद्धा ये न वदंति धर्मम. वो एल्डर नहीं है जो धर्मम का बात नहीं करता है. तो धर्मम करने वाला, धर्मम बताने वाला वृद्ध होना चाहिए. एक मीटिंग में नसौ धर्मो यत्र न सत्यम अस्ति. वो धर्म नहीं है जिधर सत्य नहीं है. Where truth is not there, dharma cannot be there. न तत् सत्यम छले ना विपतम. वो ट्रुथ नहीं है जिसका अंदर छल है. Twisted truth is not a truth. So you require a sabha, an assembly of people like this what we are having. Assembly of people where elders who speak right based on satya, untwisted truth को बोलने वाला वृद्ध होना चाहिए. कितना है देखो अभी आदमी लोग. 35. Speaking truth, being honest is everything. So, the 7th one, Tyaga. Tyaga is the other quality. 7th one, which I have selected for you. Shreyo jnanam abhyasat. काम से पहले ज्ञानम is better. Knowledge. अच्छा, I must say about jnanam. Jnanam is not knowledge of बुक्स, ये नॉलेज सफिशिएंट नहीं है. नॉलेज इज पास्ट, information is present, ideas are future, solutions are eternal. So knowledge is knowledge, information, ideas and solutions which cover the past, the present, the future and the eternity. Then you become Trikaladarshi. Through knowledge, information. Abhi dekho, information age. We are here. This is helping. Knowledge is not. Yeah, abhi jo information technology based on knowledge, information, ideas and solutions. This is how we become Trikaladarshi. एक जगह रह के दूसरा जगह गया. So be that. श्रेयो ज्ञानम अभ्यासात् ज्ञानात् ध्यानम विशिष्यते. ज्ञानम से ध्यानम, ध्यानात् कर्म फल त्यागम. त्यागम किसका करने का? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी त्याग नहीं करने का. जिम्मेवारी त्याग करेगा तो तुम बरोबर नहीं है. पागल है, छोड़ो मत, लल्लू है. अगर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी त्याग करेगा वो लल्लू हो जाएगा. लल्लू से बल्लू क्या होगा? रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कभी त्याग नहीं करने का. क्या त्याग करने का? सेल्फिश इंटरेस्ट त्याग करने का. इंटरेस्टेड पार्टी मत बनो. कर्म फलम, wanted karma phalam to your selfish return. Not the karma phalam means results of the work should be maximum, but returns, selfish return should be minimum. That is karma nayavadhikarastha ka meaning. It's not that karma chodo. Phalam means result nahi aana chahiye. Result, best result, bring it for company, for association, for AMA, for your organization. But तुम्हारा खुद का selfish commission वो मत सोचो. That is त्यागा, उसको त्याग करो. त्यागा शांति अनंतरम. एक बार त्याग करेगा तो शांति मिलेगा. This is so relinquish power. पावर को त्याग करो. हैबिट्स को, बैड हैबिट्स को त्याग करो, प्योर करो. प्रेशर को त्याग करो. वांट्स आर वीड्स, नीड्स आर सीड्स. सो नीड्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए वांट्स को रिलेशन करो. डू त्यागा. त्यागा इज बेटर देन ज्ञान एंड धर्म. त्यागा मोक्षम देता है. त्यागा शांति. त्यागो ये अमृतत्व मानसो. त्याग से अमृतत्व होता है. अमृत मिलेगा. त्यागो ही पुरुषम, अमृतम त्याग से मिलेगा. रामा is the personification of dharma. Bharata is personification of tyaga and moksha. Bharat ने जो त्याग किया, it is super. Even Karna has done tyaga ultimately. So त्याग से immortal बनेगा. त्याग करो. गलती करता है जिंदगी में, होगा, but finally त्याग करो. Giving habit रखो, then you become त्यागम करो. Then दया भूतेषु. दया भूत अभयम सत्य सिद्धि ज्ञान योग व्यवस्थिति दानं दमस्य यज्ञ स्वाध्याय तपार्जितम तेज क्षमा दुर्जय. दया भूतेषु अलोलुप्तम. दया भूतेषु, all beings of compassion रखो. Make compassion your passion. Sympathy is not good. Sympathy बोलो तो बेचारा मर रहा है. Sympathy मत बताओ, आदमी को छोटा मत करो. Empathy बताओ, compassion बताओ. दिल में उसका पेन तुम्हारा दिल में होना चाहिए. अभी nowadays in the COVID situation, compassion is what required. Don't risk him. Be away. Release your needs. सबको काम करने वाले नए तो उसको पगार दो. In everywhere, in all our companies where I am connected as emeritus, we have first paid the salaries for the work. We made sure comfortable. वो empathy रखो, compassion रखो, compassion with passion. Then comes alolatvam. Daya bhuteshur alolatvam. Non-inclination towards pleasures. Lol means as a pendulum. Alolatvam. इधर खींचो मत, इधर जाओ, ऐसा नहीं है. डिजायर्स का ये डिजायर खींचा, वो डिजायर खींचा, जैसे पेंडुलम जैसा मत जाओ, इंक्लिनेशन करो. This particular quality is in all religions, all spiritualities, all religions preach this one. First of all, Kathopanishad. यमराज ने नचिकेत को बोला, पूछो क्या मांगता है. 3 वर पूछो. तो पहला वर उसने पूछा मैं अपना फादर के लिए, मेरा फादर शुड लिव लॉन्ग, हिज एंगर शुड गो. तो बोला थलास्तु. सेकंड बोला स्वर्ग जाने के लिए, हैप्पीनेस करने के लिए रास्ता क्या है. वो बोला नचिकेताग्नि यज्ञम, दैट नथिंग बट हाईवे टू हैप्पीनेस. वो करना, यही ये क्वालिटीज ओनली. सो वो बताया. तीसरा बोला आफ्टर डेथ व्हाट हैपेंस टेल मी. वो मत पूछो. बोला दैट इवन गॉड्स डू नॉट नो. I cannot tell you I am the death. He said that what I am telling, even God do not know. So tell me after death what happens to this inside one. क्या होगा? What happens to the life? Death क्या है? मुझे बताओ. You only know. वो बोला क्यों रे डेथ पूछता है, दूसरा कुछ वर पूछो. Ask for some other boon. Ask for land. Ask for cars. Best cars पूछो. टोयोटा में जाओ, मर्सिडीज बेंज में जाओ. आस्क फॉर 1 lakh cows. आस्क फॉर राज्यम. आस्क फॉर ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स. देखो दे आर स्टैंडिंग फॉर यू. डोंट आस्क अबाउट द डेथ. उसको ऐसा था लोलुप्तम करने को देखा. सो नचिकेत बोला ये सब मटेरियल प्लेजर्स आर गुड है, आप ही रखो, वो मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. मुझे डेथ का बारे में ही मालूम करने का. Then he is telling. This is very important. Anna Shreya Anna Utaiva Preya. One is Shreya, another is Preya. हर एक सब्जेक्ट में आपको प्लेजरेबल, प्रेफरेबल, ये दोनों आपके सामने आता है. Our mind wants to go for pleasurable. But our Atma should guide us to go towards preferable. Pleasurable is sweet. Preferable may be bitter. Hard work. चल के जाना, ये difficult है तो भी. But pleasurable and preferable, these two come in front of the man. The wise man. Shreya Ada Danasya Sadhu. So the wise person select the preferable, not pleasurable. Pleasurable sweet खाएगा तो बाद में तुमको शुगर बीमारी आएगा. Preferable पहले ही तुम अच्छा फूड कंट्रोल करेगा तो life will become better. So first विषम, बाद में अमृतम. First अमृतम. So Gita says about this sukham, the pleasantness. Sukham, happiness is 2 kinds. Pleasures are 3 kinds. Sattvic, Rajasic, Tamasic. Sattvic sukham is that पहले bitter विषम जैसे होगा, बाद में अमृतम होगा. That is better. Then Rajasic sukham, पहले pleasure होगा, बाद में विषम हो जाएगा, शुगर बीमारी जैसे ओल्ड एज में. Third is Tamasic sukham, which is hell at the beginning, hell at the end. Trouble at the beginning, trouble at the end. You should be pleasant at the beginning, heaven at the beginning, heaven at the end. That is Jnani Sukham. वो कैसा आएगा? निष्काम कर्म करेगा, सेल्फिश इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखेगा. पहले भी आनंद, बाद में भी आनंद, बीच में भी आनंद. Then same thing is told in Bible. Jesus बोला, enter through narrow gate. Narrow gate से जाओ. For wide is the gate and broad is the road which leads to destruction. वो difficulties को hell में जाने वाला road wide रहता है. Everybody rushes to it. Narrow gate, razor's edge. You pass through that. Which actually leads to heaven. Small is the gate, the narrow is the road that leads to happiness, Anand, which goes to. So narrow gate, wide gate, pleasurable, preferable, sattvic sukham, tamasic sukham. Then comes Buddha. Buddha also taught same thing. Fantastic way. मात्रा सुखम परित्यागा, momentary सुखम छोड़ के, पश्येचे विपुलम सुखम, go for the largest happiness, don't go for small pleasures. त्यज्ये मता सुखम धीरो, संपस्सम विपुलम सुखम. See, the preferable way is the विपुलम सुखम. पहले तकलीफ लेके, पहले स्टडी करके, एग्जाम दे के पास होना is a permanent सुखम. कॉपी करके पास होना will trouble you not only. It is easy, pleasurable, but no. Hard work से पास करो. Earn the money through right ways, like Excel does. Ethics करो. 5 values. क्या बोला? बात करो आप. कितना मिनट है वो? हाँ, माता. So विपुलम सुखम वो करवा. I think Miss Nair is reminding. 5-10 minutes. It's good. I am also coming to that. So avoid the temporary pleasures. Go for this. Same thing is told Upanishad. Shubha Shubhabhyam Margyabhyam वहंती वासना सरित. अपना वासना का जो रिवर है, शुभा एंड अशुभा वाइप जाने को देखता है. पौरुषेण प्रयत्नेन, with the great human effort, opt for शुभ मार्गम, right margam. Be positive, don't be negative. Positive, active, timely, effective leader बनो. Positive, active, timely, effective leader. PATEL, पटेल बनो. पटेल leader बनो. By being positive, active, timely, effective. Kshama, forgive. Forgive is the best quality. If you forgive, you are not guilty, you are happy. That man is happy, you are also happy. Forgive and give, forget and get. So, गांधारी को व्यास महाराज बोला, क्षमाशीला पूरा भूतवा आद्य न क्षम से कथम. अभिशाप क्यों देने को देखता है? पहले तो क्षमाशीला होता था, अभी माफ करो. माफ नहीं करते हो. अधर्मन जैसे अधर्म छोड़ो, ये तो धर्म ततो जया. शाप दे के अधर्म मत करो, धर्म को सपोर्ट करो. बोला फाइनली नातिमानिता, एगोलेसनेस. एगो इज द प्रॉब्लम. अपने आप को बड़ा मत समझो. नातिमानिता, ह्यूमिलिटी इज बेटर. ह्यूमिलिटी इज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी. ह्यूमिलिटी रहो. थोड़ा थोड़ा कमती हो जाओ, थोड़ा कमती हो जाओ. हाउ ह्यूमिल? ऐसा बेंड करो. बेंड करेगा तो ब्लेसिंग मिलेगा यार. खड़ा होगा, ऐसा करा, खड़ा होगा तो झगड़ा मिलेगा. थोड़ा बेंड. जो भी राक्षस आएगा तो भी थोड़ा नमस्ते से. गुजराती बनो. क्या गुजराती? देयर इज अ पंजाबी, महाराष्ट्रियन एंड गुजराती. पैसा देने का है, लोन दिया, वापस देने के लिए है. वो बोलेगा, पंजाबी बोलेगा मेरा पैसा नहीं देगा तो तुमको देखो क्या करूँगा. गुजराती बोलेगा भैया, भाई मैं जो आपको दिया था मुझे अभी जरूरत है, अगर आप वापस देगा तो मैं धन्य हो जाऊंगा बोल के नमस्ते करेगा. सो यू विल रिटर्न द लोन. एंड तुम घर को जाएगा तो पानी पी के बात करेगा, चाय पिएगा नहीं, चाय पिलाएगा तो झगड़े होगा, पानी पिया तो ठंडा हो जाएगा. So non-negotiation हुआ. So now I must tell you the last. Mr. Nair has already given me signal. ये चार्ट बना.
Yes, Guruji, thank you very much for the.
1 minute, only 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
ये बड़ा करो. Now these 27 qualities. First of all, non-self-government, non-stealing, non-betrayal, non-inclination. I have rearranged the 27. Non-wandering, non-anger. क्या नहीं करने का पहले? This is क्या नहीं करने का? क्या करने का? Self-study, that is humanity. The non-humanity, self-study, compassion, forgiving, giving, offering, relinquishing. ये करने का. What is spirituality? External control, gentleness, modesty, fortitude, penance, brightness, purity of mind. Purity of mind is center of this. Then divinity क्या? Abhayam and Satyam. So क्या नहीं करने का? क्या करने का? क्या becoming है? Being है? Non-doing, doing, becoming and being. ऐसा तरह से शोधना, साधना, शुद्धि, सिद्धि आपको बताया. Preparing, practicing, purifying and performing. ये करो. In this way, I have sent you that, all of you, I have sent you this specially. नायर साहब को करके ये भेजा. This book is same. Please go through that. And I am telling, select 4 qualities. First select 1, then 4. From each area, select 1. क्या नहीं करने का, क्या करने का, क्या improve करने का, क्या, what is the ultimate goal. एक एक करके follow up करो. And out of this, if you are positive, active, timely, effective leader, all this will come. Namaste.
Okay, Guruji, thank you very much. I thank all the participants for attending the session. Guruji,
Any participant want to say something?
any participant would like to ask anything can post it in the chat box.
Chat box में है क्या देखो?
And in case any participant have not received the, I think there is one question from one of the participants. How can we will remain ahimsak while opponent are hinsak?
क्या question है?
Sir, how can we remain ahimsak when the opponent is hinsak? And when our existence is in danger, still ahimsa appropriate or relevant in this era of hinsa?
No. Become powerful. Collect group. GOD बनो. Group organ direction. Resist. But don't reverse मारो मत. Resist. As a group, all of us join together. We can resist and stop that हिंसा. अच्छा, वो हिंसा को रेसिस्ट करके परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय दुष्कृतिम, वो few people who are doing हिंसा, उसको स्टॉप करो, उसको अरेस्ट करो. Don't retaliate as a group. So I will say, I have faced himsa. Many times I was hurt. I resisted. And I am also telling, थोड़ा क्षमा करो, forbearance रखो. क्षमा गुण थोड़ा बताएगा तो other person. How you can help हिंसक? How you can help हिंसक to become sage? Buddha has shown that. अंगुली माल बोल के हिंसक था, सबका उंगली काटता था. Already 99 उंगली काट के माला बनाया. 100 he wanted, he came to Buddha. Buddha told, you want my finger, I will give you. बैठो, पहले मेडिटेशन करो थोड़ा देर. Then उसको sacred ways to spirituality सिखाया. Angulimal has become saint. Valmiki, the most himsak, has become a sage. So can you convert some negative into positive by your compassion, by your spirituality? This is the way. You practice this, nobody will do himsa to you. Do this. Teach them. ज्ञान करो, प्यार दो, हिंसक को प्यार दो. मेरा रिकमेंडेशन है सबको प्यार दो, नेगेटिव को प्यार दो. Somebody is troubling you all the time, unexpectedly help him. In his difficult time, if he is close to you, help him unexpectedly. He will transform. Can you transform? That is the only way, yaar. All Himsak organizations should be transformed into Ahimsa organization. This is my. It is a difficult thing. It is like it is Shreyam, not Prayam. उसको गोली मारना easy है यार. हिंसक को पकड़ के उसको कर देना easy है. लेकिन उसको bear करके transform करना difficult है. Go for difficult path.
So there is a next question: how to deal with negative minds?
How to?
How to deal with negative minds?
Love. Negative mind को by your example of positive action deal with negative point. If he is negative, be patient with him. Listen, ask question and do that and show positive. I have faced many negative minds. Most of them are now positive minds. By seva, by love, even negative minds require unexpected love. Yaar. Ram used to tell Ravan, you know what? How Ram dealt with Ravan. When first day war is over, Ravan का सब चला गया. उसका रथम अस्त्रम चला गया. He was tired. वो गिर पड़ा. Ram could have killed him at the time. He told Ravan को बोला, Ravan, you are tired now. Go, we'll fight tomorrow. Come back. उसका mind shock हो गया उसको. So Ravan was defeated on that moment. When next day when Ravan came, Ram told, good morning Ravana. Prathama bhashi, madhura bhashi, priyam vada. Can you, your दुश्मन सामने आता है, उसको नमस्ते बोल सकता है क्या? मैं बोलूंगा. Those who hurt you, tell them namaste. Then थोड़ा chance है बदलने का. नहीं बदलेगा तो क्या हुआ? तो anyway you are suffering. So उसको प्यार दो. I think.
There is another interesting question. Recently, we came to know that the pregnant elephant was killed in Malappuram. How can we stop such hinsa?
Wow, this is a great question. This is really, I myself and my entire family are struggling. Usko kaisa kar diya? This is a mind. This is the impurity of mind of people as a group. So mind of people has become negative and usko dabba khila ke maar diya. So what is the way? The way this actually, first of all, I prayed for that elephant. We all. Second is education. The values teaching. Society has to transform. अभी तो immediately नहीं कर सकता है. 20 बरस का बाद आदमी अच्छा हो सकता है. उसके लिए values सिखाओ. Our own Indian syllabus, there no values at the beginning. अभी जो values अभी सीख रहा है, this should be taught in the schools. This should be, these divine qualities should be taught. Kshama, Satyam, truth. क्या संस्कृत में बोलेगा तो बरोबर नहीं दिखता है, बोला है पुराना है. Same thing you teach in English. Persuasion, reward, discrimination and punishment. आप बोला तो बरोबर दिखता है. समाधान भेद दंडा बोले तो पुराना बोलता है. So we must, our education, all textbooks, AMA has got all the textbooks. At least 50 books are there of values. Values सिखाना चाहिए स्कूल में. Then वो दया आएगा. दया भूतेषु. अपन जो बोला वो एलिफेंट भूतम है, उसको कैसा टॉर्चर कर दिया. So these are values which through education system and institution like AMA. AMA, Nair Sahab and whole AMA, I appreciate. They are spreading values. There are certain organizations which are spreading values. वो values में follow up करो.
Sir, दूसरा question है that it isn't fighting against adharma is dharma because it's not ahimsa. It is the duty to fight out the evil.
Yeah, you must fight. Vinashaja Dishkitam. Adharma should be resisted and fight. Yes. Yeah. But हिंसा मत करो. Don't torture him more than required. वो वार होने के बाद उसको मारो मत. So fighting adharma as far as possible without himsa is a great thing. You have got capability to fight. Gandhiji fought with himsa of British. With what weapon? Ahimsa weapon. Satyagraha weapon. So if Gandhi could do it, we cannot do it now. Can we not sadharma with Satyagraha? मैं तो करता हूँ. हमारा any organization, if something is wrong, then I will punish myself so that people know. So demonstrate, resist, and again help them. प्यार का साथ उसको बदलो करो. Very good questions. I must say all the 4 questions are powerful, wonderful. Thank you.
Sir, it was a very interactive session. Though it was the first time experience with you, but it was very nice, and I hope the participants enjoyed the session listening to you after a long time.
Who is that?
All the participants, I hope they have enjoyed the session with you.
Okay, and I am
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your love and affection with AMA.
I am thankful. All those comments and questions you please send me in email.
Yeah, I have already informed the participants. In case they have any questions, they can directly send it to AMA with their phone numbers. I will forward it to Guruji, and then Guruji will be more than happy to answer them.
Talk to you, and सबको मेरा प्रार्थना है, please follow at least one of them and follow ahimsa.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll again on behalf of Nair sir and whole team of AMA, I thank Guruji and his team to spare time and address this session. And I thank all the participants for joining the session. Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Pranam. Pranam.
Yeah. Namaste.
Namaste.